Good morning, children. Today we are learning worksheet number 4. Worksheet number 4. The lion in the arena. Arena means an open area which is filled with seats, or the place for sitting is known as arena. So how did the lion came in that arena? Let us see. The amphitheater at Pompeii was full of people who had come to watch Glaucus fight against a lion. Glaucus himself was standing in the arena holding his shiny sword and waiting for the lion to charge. So here you can see in the picture what the man is doing. So the place where everyone joined, this is amphitheater, as like an open area which is arranged in the theaters to watch something, or you can call it as a stadium where the people gathered to watch a play. So here this man came here to fight against the lion. You can see that he is carrying his shining sword in his hand. And the man is waiting for the lion to charge, means the lion to get ready for that fight. But the lion was behaving strangely. Instead of running straight at Glaucus, it stopped abruptly in the middle of the arena. Standing on two hind legs, it began sniffing the air impatiently. As Glaucus stared at it, confused, it began to circle the place, tossing its huge head from side to side with a very anxious gaze. Once or twice it tried to jump over the wall separating the arena from the audience and howled when it failed. Finally, tired of trying to escape, it crept silently into its cage with a moan and lay down to rest. So what has happened here? The man is eagerly waiting for the lion to attack him. But something strange happened. The lion started behaving strange in a different manner. So what has happened? Instead of running towards the Glaucus, the lion stopped abruptly. Abruptly means suddenly. It stood in the middle of the way on its hind legs, means only on our toes we can call. You can see that the lion is standing on the two legs and it looked confused. Glaucus saw it and he became confused by seeing that why this lion is behaving strangely in a different way. So the lion tried to jump over the wall. We have the walls over there. Instead of fighting with the man, he thought to jump over through the wall as he is sniffing something in the air. As you might be aware of something that animals can sense some unconscious things which are around us or the danger which is coming to us. You can see that the dog barks if the strange person is coming to our home or causing any harm to us. Sometimes the animals become strange. As we have seen about the lesson of that bird. Wind song we have seen. This is the worksheet of the same fourth lesson. We have seen that the little girl brought that canary home and it became quiet by sensing the danger. In the same way here, he became very silent now. Instead of troubling him, the lion tried to jump over the wall, but he couldn't do that. Then finally he came back to his place and went inside the cage and preferred to take rest. The audience was disappointed. The lion's keeper tried to call it back to the arena when a loud explosion was heard. What has happened? Audience, they were disappointed because they came here to watch their play, but they couldn't see because of the strange behavior of the lion. They did not understood the reason for it. The lion keeper means the man who is the head of the lion, also called the lion back, but the lion did not listen. So suddenly they heard a sound as if something has been broken. What was the sound? Let us find about it in our next class. Hope that everyone understood till here. Thank you.